Welcome to FRCode Academy. This tutorial series is meant to teach people who know nothing about programming FRC robots exactly how to code even the most complicated FRC systems. In this series, we will cover PID control, different drivetrain programs, setting up autonomous routines, and so much more. So without further ado, let's get into the first episode, setting up your development environment. Before you can program anything FRC, you must set up a programming environment that is compatible with FRC robots. To do that, navigate to the WPILib 2025 download website. Click the first result and scroll down and hit download 2.5 gigabytes. You should see it start to download in the top right corner. This is going to take a while, so I'm going to speed it up. You might wonder, what is WPILib? WPILib is a software library that every single FRC team utilizes to program their robots. It figures out all of the nitty-gritty things like code compilation, correct motor voltage, and network connection for us. So all we have to do is make the logistical system that our robot uses, and the rest of the programming troubles will be taken care of for us by WPILib. Great, now that it's done downloading, you can open the folder. Once you have the folder open, click on WPILib installer. If an antivirus screen pops up, click on More Info and Run Anyways. Now that the installer has showed up, click on Start, Install for this user, Download for this computer only. Congratulations on finishing installing WPILib. Click Next and you'll be done. Psych, there's more downloads. Luckily, this one is not nearly as long as the first one. Okay, now you're actually done downloading WPILib. Click Finish, and once you close out all of your tabs, you should see 3 new apps on your desktop. The most important app is a special version of VS Code, which has unique WPILib commands available with it. Congratulations, you're halfway done. We just need to download one more software called NI Game Tools, and then you'll be ready to start programming FRC robots. So like before, go to your browser and search up NI Game Tools. And click the first result. Click Login to download, and then Create Account. Unfortunately, they require an email to create an account. Luckily, you don't need to use your personal email. You can use a temporary email online. Just search up temp mail, click the first result, and copy the email it gives to you. This way, you won't get any spam mail in your main email address. Now fill out the NI Game Tools account creation form with your temporary email address. Don't worry about remembering anything you fill into this form. You'll never have to access your account again. You only need an account to download the software. And once that is done, you can forget you even had an account. To finish creating an account, NI Game Tools requires an email verification. To do that, go back to the temporary mail site, click on the confirmation email, copy the confirmation link, open the link in a new tab, and click Continue to finish creating your NI Game Tools account. Okay, now that you have an account, you can finally download NI Game Tools. It's a very quick download, so don't wait around. Open the downloaded file. accept the license agreements, and click Next, and click Next again. Now accept even more license agreements, and click Next, and click Next again. If you're wondering what NI Game Tools is, it is a software that connects to the robot and tells the robot when to execute its code and what code it should execute. I'm not sure why it's not bundled with WPILib. That would be much more convenient. However, this is the system we have, so we're going to have to deal with it. Amazing! Now that the download is done, click on the button to reboot your computer. After your computer restarts and you log back in, you should see that a new app called FRC Driver Station has been downloaded onto your desktop. The Driver Station app is what tells the robot when to run its code and what code it should run. It has 4 different modes for what code to run on the robot: teleoperated mode, autonomous mode, and the much less used practice and test modes, which are used to practice competition conditions and debug the robot respectively. Additionally, an application called Shuffleboard will open up automatically whenever you open up the driver station. It is used to print debug information about the robot's current state. For now, we'll just close it. And that is it. You've finished setting up your development environment. See you in the next video, where we understand the basics of robot code with some practice robots called Romies. This has been Victor Moldovanu from Team 612. See you later, and goodbye.